Hey guys, this is Mango Traveler. Once again I am in Rajasthan, and normally I travel with one or two guys with me, but this time I am with my battalion. Meet Photographers Club of Agra, and we are going to cover Pushkar Camel Fair.
As the name implies, Pushkar Camel Fair or Pushkar Mela as it's commonly known is held over a period of 7 days in the town of Pushkar, which lies in the Ajmer district of Rajasthan. The best way to reach Pushkar during Pushkar Camel Fair is by train. There are plenty of good superfast trains from Agra, Delhi and Jaipur which go till Ajmer, and from Ajmer one can have taxi or buses for Pushkar. We had booked bus for us.
And we are going to cover Pushkar Camel Fair.
Our first day started with strolling around the streets of Pushkar and in evening at Pushkar Lake. Let me tell you a brief history about this lake. According to Hindu mythology, all the gods as mentioned in Hinduism assembled at Pushkar on full moon night and made this lake, and hence it is deemed as sacred. And this is the only reason behind the enormous amount of pilgrims coming together at the Pushkar lake for the holy bath to wash away their sins and pay their respect at Brahma Mandir, the only of its kind in India. An evening Aarti is a not to miss experience for everyone. Thousands of people assemble across the ghats for it. The whole ambience feels divine and transfer you to a different world altogether. It starts around 5:30 pm to 6 pm at the time of Pushkar Fair. My next day went on Pushkar streets and Mela ground. I came back to Pushkar after 3 years gap, and I must say Pushkar is changed. I mean in a good way. Streets are now covered with thousands of stalls and shops selling countless things, be it traditional jewelry or handicraft or puppets or fabric, clothes, and God knows what else. I feel Pushkar street during Mela time going to offer you everything. At Gau Ghat there are plenty of shops which offer you traditional food like dal bhati, try it, and as many variety of sweets you want to eat. Or have some fast foods or fresh juices, or simply hang out in cafes, and there are hundreds of them now. And then I had a visit at Brahma temple. Photography is not allowed inside the premises. Pushkar Mela ground also offer many cultural events and competition, which includes camel race, long moustache competition, bridal competition, and many more. I was able to witness kabaddi and volleyball competition here. Of course, it's a cattle fair, which is one of the major highlights of Pushkar Fair. It is basically the biggest camel fair in the whole world. Nowadays they also sell horses, cows and sheep and goats. The fair witnessed the cattle owner bringing their livestock to be sold and purchased. My evening spent deep inside the desert with some of my teammates.
Bhag Arjun bhag! Bhag Arjun bhag!
Where one can also enjoy camel ride. We were happened to witness a lovely sunset. And then in night some of us also visited Mela ground once again. It was a wonderful experience seeing everybody enjoying at their best. By mistake, I took a giant wheel ride. It was horror for me, and yet it was fun.
This is too much! अबे बच कर और कितना घुमाएगा?
मेरे हाथ लिटरली कप्पा मारा है।
अबे क्या सारे पैसे वसूलेगा आज ही? अरे कुछ नहीं क्या बेटा? राम 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 राम।
For the last day, some of us planned to see Savitri temple. It is situated at the highest hilltop of Pushkar, named Ratnagiri Hill. One can take a ride from ropeway, which we did. Ropeway takes only 5 to 10 minutes to reach there. And the other way is to take the stairs, which is of course needs extra effort. It is a temple dedicated to goddess Savitri, wife of Lord Brahma.
नहीं हम नीचे जा रहे हैं सर वीडियो के लिए।
कैसे वीडियो के चक्कर में जा रहे हैं लालची लोग? Greedy people, greedy people, greedy people.
While returning back from Savitri temple, few of us thought to return from stairs. You will see many langur here. Please do not have any eye contact with them, or else they are going to jump at you. It was indeed a fun to return back through stairs way. Hats off to Gaurav here, whose hand was fractured, but still he enjoyed climbing down the stairs. It is believed that Pandavas of Mahabharata epic came to Pushkar, and in their remembrance 5 pools of water were built. And after knowing this, half of Photographers Club of Agra ran to see it, as it was the last day in Pushkar. These 5 small pools, or say it kund, were built at Gayatri Hills. It is around 3 km from Pushkar Lake. And then after this we all went to a final destination, which was Gayatri temple. It is situated on a small hilltop. One need to climb this small hill. It's quite a risky trek, so be careful. Gayatri temple is dedicated to the second wife of Lord Brahma. This temple also holds immense spiritual importance, just as Lord Brahma and Goddess Savitri temple. Sunset from this point is simply amazing. Thanks to our sponsor MCOP, which makes best cakes, and Ramon Infotech, who sells camera equipment and accessories in Agra. Without them, the trip would not have been successful. So this is all about my Pushkar trip. I hope you liked the video. See you all in my next trip. Until then, have a wonderful time.